What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Veronica. I do videos on motherhood, cleaning, and organization. And I just wanted to pop in and give a quick intro to today's video. I am completely exhausted. I have been cleaning and organizing my kitchen all weekend, and I am finally going to be giving you an update on the kitchen cupboard drawers that I have been organizing and kind of accumulating products for over the past couple of weeks. Now you are going to see the drawers in my kitchen were completely out of control, and I just took everything out and put everything kind of on the floor. I sorted through the things that I didn't need to have in the drawers. I rearranged things a little bit. I saw this quote online. It is a bit cheesy, but it's just so true. And it is, organization is a journey, not a destination. And I obviously wanted to have like this perfect, Pinterest perfect kitchen and everything completely done before I did an update. But that's just not realistic. It's going to take quite a while before I get the kitchen exactly how I want it to look. So what I thought I'd do is just come in and show you how I organized my kitchen cupboards, how I used the products that I got from Amazon, Wilco, Poundland, and B&M to kind of help me get a little bit more organized, specifically in the kitchen cupboards. Now I am just editing this video. I am having a glass of wine to relax because let me tell you, this has been a struggle. It was not easy getting everything out and finding a way to kind of Tetris everything back in. You'll see exactly what I mean when you see the clips. So if you are in need of some inspiration to get yourself organized, specifically when it comes to your kitchen cupboards, and if you want to see how I used these Amazon products, which actually were amazing, I love all of them, definitely keep watching. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So let's go ahead and get started. Y'all know I keep it real. This is what the drawers look like. Each drawer is worse than the other one. Honestly, everything had just gotten completely out of control. I haven't been keeping it organized at all. And if you're like me, then you know, once it gets messy, it is very, very hard to maintain it. So the very first thing that I did was take everything out of the drawers, literally everything. Now for me, this is a crucial step. It makes a lot of chaos in the space that you're working with, but it is the best way to see exactly what you have and to know what you need to keep in the drawers, what you can put elsewhere, and to clean and just get everything kind of sorted. Now I have 4 drawers altogether that I'm going to be organizing today. This is another drawer. Normally I keep plates and bowls in here, but I've moved those to a different cupboard, which I'll show in a different video. And this, as you can see, is just full of random things. It is completely messy, and this is the drawer that I'm going to be tackling next. Once everything is out, I'm going to clean the drawer, and I'm using these drawer dividers from Amazon, which I will link down below. They were so good. I purchased a bunch of them that I used in every single drawer, and of course you can just kind of stack things and line things up, but when you have something that is physically separating the different items in your drawers, and it helps to keep everything kind of like in its place. When I show you the end result, I think you'll see exactly what I mean. Now in today's video, I'm actually not doing every cupboard. As you can see, I've still got the spice drawer, which still needs to be done. I've still got the refrigerator that needs to be done. There's still lots to be done. But it is really important for me to always keep it realistic and to show you that you will see a transformation over time, but these things just do not happen overnight. It takes a lot of thought. It takes a lot of energy, and it takes time to get everything nice and organized and to have kind of like an entire kitchen reorganized. I actually did already have some storage in the drawers. I had these IKEA kind of like cube things where I was holding my appliances, and I actually planned to keep them, but when I put them back in, I realized it didn't look nice at all. It looked a bit cheap, and the cubes were kind of falling apart, so I didn't end up reusing them. I just used the bamboo drawer dividers like I used in every other drawer. And honestly, I'm glad I did, because having kind of like different organizational solutions for the same space actually makes it look really cluttered and really messy. So that would definitely be another one of my tips, is that regardless of what you end up using, whether it's kind of like drawer dividers or little cubes like I had before, just try to use the same thing in every area where you're organizing the same types of products. This is definitely the fun part, and another tip is take your time when you decide where everything goes. Fitting everything in is not easy, but once everything has its place, it will be so much easier to keep it organized. And now for the finished product. Now, I am so pleased with the way everything turned out. It is just literally night and day to go from ridiculously cluttered and messy kitchen drawers to something where I can actually find everything that I'm looking for. These pots and pans are actually really good because they stack and the handles come off. So again, really useful for organizing things. Everything has its place now. I have my lids to my Tupperware. Everything is exactly where it needs to be. I'm really trying to put things in a logical way into the drawers. So pots and pans together, baking dishes together, the utensils together, small appliances that I use every day. Just kind of in a location that I'll be able to find it. So I've got my rolling pin, I've got my potato masher, all of that stuff that I use very often. I've got a juicer that I try to use every day to make fresh orange juice. I've got my salad spinner. Again, we use this pretty much every single day. Now, these are items that I'm putting in the top drawer, so they're super easy to access. Bowls for preparing food, and of course my stick blender. I actually bought these pots and pans during last year's Black Friday sale. I got a really good discount on them, and they are extremely practical if you have a small space and you want everything to be organized because they stack and the handles come off. All in all, I am so happy with how everything turned out. Everything now has its own designated place. I can access all of the lids, the pots, the pans, the little appliances. I no longer have random things in these drawers that I don't need. These bamboo drawer dividers were such a good purchase. I'm so glad I got them because, again, it just helps to give everything that very organized, very streamlined, sleek look. Now, of course, this is not perfect. There's still a lot of room for improvement, but hopefully over time I can continue to get it more and more organized, and in not too distant of a future, I'll have another update where it is finally exactly how I want it. All right, y'all, that is it. This is only phase one. Obviously, over time, it will get better and more organized. And the true test to see if this new kind of organizational system works is if it stays organized, because if an organizational system after a week or two kind of falls to pieces, it means it's not a good system. So I'll keep y'all updated on that. But anyway, if you like this video and if you want to see the further updates on what I do with the other kitchen cupboards, definitely hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can find out when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.